Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to draw Steven Universe. We'll go with the original version here and maybe draw some of the other versions of Steven in the future. Anyway, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw Steven Universe. We're going to draw Steven Universe step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Steven is roughly 2 heads tall in this pose. In other words, however tall we draw his head, his entire body is roughly 2 of those. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for Steven Universe. So there's a roadmap of Steven Universe. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, we draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Steven's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them as light as possible. Light enough to be able to erase them very easily. So let's rough out Steven's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Steven Universe. Now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Steven Universe, and we don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Steven Universe. All right, there you have it, Steven Universe. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Steven before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Young Master Universe during this video because I want the lesson to solely focus on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Steven Universe. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Steven. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.